Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the June card kit with you. So the card kit comes out every other month and it gives you pattern paper and embellishments and card bases and envelopes and just a ton of product to make a lot of cards to send out to friends and family. So this month we're featuring Echo Parts Salutations number 2. So the first one, they hit it out of the ballpark for making quick and easy cards, and this one is no exception. So I can't wait to show you everything that you're going to get in this month's kit. To start with, you're going to get 6 card bases and 6 envelopes. So you'll definitely get 6 cards out of this kit, plus a lot more. So we give you some cardstock. This month you're going to get 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of cranberry, and a sheet of coastal. Now you can cut these and use these for more card bases or for the card fronts to have your kit go even further. Like I mentioned earlier, this month features Echo Park Salutations number 2. So you're going to receive the 6x6 pad. This is about 1/3 of the pack. A few sheets repeat, but it's a ton of paper and product. And it is geared exactly for card making, so it's going to make them quick and easy to make. Here is a sheet that has 2x2 cards, so you can cut those apart for your greetings on the front. The back is this beautiful floral print, so you can see you have a choice of either making the fronts of your cards or making the decoration on the front. This is one that has the 3x4 along with 2x2 along the top, and then the back is a tone-on-tone red. I just love the colors in this kit. Then we have some 3x3 squares. The back is a floral on black. Another one of the 3x4 with 2x3, tone-on-tone blue. This one has the long strips, so you can put those on your horizontal cards, and then some 3x4s. The back is a floral on white. Then we have the 3x4, but this time they're on the horizontal, and then a long strip as well that could be on the front. This one also has a little circle here where it's kind of giving you an idea to make a tag out of that, so you could just corner the tops right here. The back is a tone-on-tone green. Some more 2x2s. That beautiful floral. Here are some of your repeats. When you hop on over to the Facebook group and the blog, you're also going to see a lot of examples from the design team. They always do a great job with their card kits. Okay, so this sheet is different. This one just has lots of little labels, different lengths that you could use for greetings, or you could use the back, which is a solid kind of hunter green. And then we have these solids, which is the lighter green and the gold, that corally pink and a blue, a light blue, and then the light pink. So again, you have solids, you have prints, and then all of the greetings. For your decorations and embellishments, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So this has some border strips, some banners, more of those little labels for the salutations on the front and the greetings. We have a banner up here. Lots and lots of options. You're also going to receive 3 feet of the light coral satin ribbon, some gemstones, and some stickles, which is always a great way to add just a little bit of bling to your cards. So that is this month's card kit from Echo Park Salutations number 2. One more look at your card kit. Be sure to check out all the other items and all the other kits that we have available in the store. There'll be some links here at the end of some other kits that you can check out. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and please share your projects because we love to see what you're making with your kids. Have a great day.